Ever since I was a kid, I was fascinated with studying millionaires' habits. I've tried pretty much every single millionaire's habits out there for at least some time. And look, it worked. Even though there were a few of these habits that felt like a complete waste of time, there were habits that had a huge impact on my success. Here are the top 5 habits that helped me become a millionaire. Habit number 1, setting goals and planning. Setting clear goals and planning your days around them has been important to what I have achieved today. Now, I understand this could be an overwhelming task for many, as there's always so much to do and so little time to achieve our goals. And I was here at this same place some years ago, so trust me, I know what you feel. But let me break this down for you. First, think about the big picture of what you aim to achieve this year. Preferably, choose one big goal and be laser focused on it. Note down your aspirations and break them down into smaller quarterly goals. Every year, I start by outlining my yearly goals, then breaking them down into quarterly milestones, and then scheduling my tasks with tools like Asana. You can do this on Trello also. These tools help you prioritize and streamline your workflow. But this process of setting goals doesn't just stop here. Reprioritizing tasks and regular reflection are key here. Every week, I look back, assess my progress, and adjust my objectives accordingly, as one needs to be prepared to pivot as and when life's unexpected turns comes your way. As we learn more about something, primarily the whys and the hows of it, and get a little deeper, it's easier to practice it. This is why from time to time, I pick books like Deep Work by Cal Newport to learn about focusing strategies, or explore the bullet journal method by Ryder Carroll for a personalized organization approach. The internet is also a gold mine for productivity advice. In case you do not like reading books, websites like Todoist or Evernote, along with YouTube channels like Productivity with Mike, offer valuable tips and insights that help stay on track. Mastering the art of goal setting and meticulously planning empowers you to efficiently tackle your daily tasks, and there is no need to do it the hard way. There are plenty of tools and resources at your disposal that can help you boost your productivity and take control of your journey. Habit number 2, the power of your social network. You have likely heard the saying, you are the average 5 people you spend the most time with. This idea becomes even more powerful when you consider how the habits, mindsets, and the action of those closest to you profoundly influence your own path. Entrepreneur Alex Hermosi takes this a step further by suggesting that even your zip code can offer hints about your income level, underscoring the significant impact of your immediate environment. With this in mind, it's critical to be deliberate about the company you keep, aiming to strategically expand your network to include not just growth, inspiring individuals, but also those who bring essential knowledge and resources to boost your financial well-being. I would personally advise you to surround yourself with people like investors, lawyers, accountants, and successful entrepreneurs. These individuals not only have the financial means, but are also deeply knowledgeable about where and how to grow money. They're consumed with understanding and navigating the financial landscape, which means having them in your network can also offer you solutions to financial dilemmas. So, whether you need funding, investment, or strategic coaching, these connections can open doors. However, it's crucial to not approach these relationships as a one-way street. Avoid being a leech by contributing your own skills and insights, ensuring a mutual exchange of value. Start by being ruthless with the contacts in your phone. If you're genuinely committed to building wealth, curate your circle with intention, seeking out those who align with your financial goals and can offer guidelines and support on your journey to financial success. Habit number 3 is solution-focused thinking. Every successful person I know is a solution-focused thinker. When life throws them a curveball, they don't just sit there and ask, why me? Nope, they shift gears and start looking for ways to hit that curveball out of the park. Adapting a solution-focused mindset was life-changing for me. Instead of dwelling on problems, I trained myself to look for solutions. This proactive approach not only helped me overcome challenges, but also build resilience. Every obstacle became a stepping stone thanks to this shift in perspective. I simply start asking, how can I fix this? Instead of crying and complaining, why is this happening to me? So take control of your life, put all the energy into finding answers that empower you and your life. Having a powerful growth mindset keeps you moving. But how do you flip the narrative to think like this? The next time you face a problem, start by asking how, not why. Get your brains in the habit of looking for X's, not staring at the walls, and brainstorming ideas and solutions. Throw every idea onto the table, no matter how out there it might seem. Oh, and keep a solution bank. Jot down your ideas in a notebook or an app. If you're looking to read and know about developing a growth mindset, Carol Dweck's book, Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, is a great place to start. It dives deep into how a growth mindset can transform your approach to challenges. Additionally, you can try the 5 whys techniques, which is basically every time you face an obstacle, keep asking why to drill down to the root of a problem. A simple way to uncover solutions you might not have thought of before. This brings me to the next habit that helped me achieve my dream life. Habit number 4, second order thinking. The essence of second order thinking lies in the fact that every decision carries weight beyond the immediate moment. This knack for considering the long-term effects or second-order consequence of your actions can set you apart from most people your age. It's all about looking beyond the initial impact to the ripples that follow, ensuring decisions pave the way for a future that aligns with your goals and values. Thinking in terms of the second-order consequences means looking beyond the immediate effects of your actions. It's about asking yourself, what are the long-term implications of this decision? This habit of forward-looking question and aligning decision with long-term goals ensure that every step I took was a step towards my ultimate objective, which has ultimately helped me reach where I am today. Now you may ask me, why does this matter, Cody? Well, because every choice we make can have unexpected outcomes. By thinking a step ahead, we can dodge those unintended pitfalls that might throw us off course. This forward-thinking approach isn't just about avoiding trouble. It's a strategic tool for creating a future that resonates with our deepest ambitions, both in our careers and personal life. Take deciding on a new job, for example. It's not just the paycheck that counts, but how the role fits into your broader career path, the company's culture, and the opportunity it offers for growth. When considering your big purchases, it's crucial to weigh in its long-term financial implications against your overall financial strategy. So, how can you harness this foresight? Start by asking yourself, what then? After every decision, to tease out possible future scenarios. Visualizing your long-term goals can also guide your decision-making process, ensuring each step you take is a step toward the future you envision. And there's much to learn from others' experience too. Delve into case study and books like Thinking in Systems by Donella Meadows and The Fifth Discipline by Peter Senge to get the grip on the complexity of long-term consequences. This mindset isn't just about making smarter choices. It's about building a foundation for a future that's as rich and fulfilling as you dream it to be. Now, there is one habit that drastically changed my life and can potentially change your life too. No matter who you are or where you're from, it is habit number 5, investing. From the get-go, I make it a point to save and invest rather than splurge. Don't get me wrong, it's not just about being frugal though. It's more about seeing the big picture and understanding how your money can grow over time with compound interest and smart cash flow management. I started investing in real estate and stock options because they both offer growth as well as income potential. Was it easy? Heck no. It took a lot of discipline, learning, and adapting. But let me tell you, Finding great mentors made a huge difference. They helped me sharpen my strategy and avoid pitfalls. So if you're just starting or want to try investing, then remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Always start small with whatever you can afford and stick with it. Set up a monthly date if required, but do it regularly. Get to know different investment options and don't put all your money in one place. Create a diversified portfolio and have clear financial goals like saving for a house or creating an emergency fund, and most importantly, keep learning and tweaking your approach as you go by. Investing in real estate and stock option has helped me retire and could help you too. If that's something you want to know more about, click on this video right here.